I'm going to show you how these shelves were installed. My name's Troy. Welcome to the den. Oh, good Lord. That's a lot of barnwood. It ended up being closer to 700 square feet actually. What we're going to do is put some floating shelves. Check that out. We got something like 240 linear feet of this stuff. It's a crazy amount of shelving, and it's probably only half of it. So we just cut them down. So we just got to get our lines so they're nice and straight, screw them into the wall, slip our shelves on. It'll work. It's worked before. If you're like us and you don't have a drill press, Amazon, I found this. I'll show you how it works here in a minute. It's actually pretty clever and pretty cheap. This is the critical part right here. Trying to get a nice tight fit, but work around this corner. I was very careful putting this stuff on, making sure everything was as straight and square as possible to make this step easier. We're using these as spacers, and they slip like right in there, right? Underneath, 2 screws to hold these, because back behind here is only plywood, 1/2 inch, and there's all kinds of wires and all kinds of stuff back there. So we don't want to plow into any of those. So we're going to put a few more shelves up here and continue on. So we can see where our stud is because of the nail holes. Okay, so our stud runs all the way down here. And what we're gonna do is make a mark, just a little mark. And we'll do that 3 times. 1 down here, 1 in the middle, and 1 on the end. So just kind of follow along with me. I'm just gonna let you watch what I'm doing. I think you'll kind of pick it up as I'm laying it down. You might be wondering how we're doing this. I'll just quickly show you an L shape, and on the inside, a biscuit locked in over time. Yeah, we can go ahead and screw that in. Here's the trick. Get that to slide on there when we're screwing them in. I'm using this. I'm setting it on top of here, and I'm getting it relatively close. Because if you don't, and it's like this, well, you're out a little bit. Another reason why I like these is that you can just tap it with a hammer if it needs to go in one direction or the other. Perfect. On to the next. the next time that you see this place, it's gonna be completely finished, and I'll sneak it in a video somewhere. All right.